Okay, so we filled up the columns, and now we got to fill up the remaining. Let's see. The cores. Not every one, but every 4 feet. So we stopped when we had the pump truck come. We stopped here, and we didn't get any on this side. So we have to go from that pier over all the way to me. So probably about 20. So we'll see how many bags it takes. And yeah, that's it. Then we're ready for, then we're truly ready to start framing. Hi, I'm Gino, born and raised in New Jersey. Follow me, my wife Courtney, our kids, and the rest of our family and friends, pick up our Jersey Shore life and bring it to our new Southern Missouri homestead. This is the Maione life. Okay, we got the tire fixed. They even cleaned it off for us. Thank you, Mom and Dad.
What?
No, the tire.
Oh.
Thank God.
Your dad told me it was $17.
17 bucks?
I was like,
oh, that's awesome.
in New Jersey, it would have been $700.
I was thinking a couple hundred. That's why I was like, damn it, that sucks.
What?
The tire, 17 bucks.
Get out of here. I figured out. I was like,
can't beat that. Okay, so we finished everything on the foundation, ready for framing tomorrow. Well, still the steel. Now we're just gonna cook and eat dinner.
So weird how there's so many.
I think up by the house it was bad, like this last time, but back here because we didn't have food really.
That's what it is. It's just like as soon as there's food around or garbage, it's like they just show up.
Yeah, I was gonna be like, where the hell did they actually come from?
That's what your dad said too when he shot the deer.
Yeah.
In like seconds.
Oh, yeah?
Flies everywhere. That's nature. As soon as something dies,
Like vampires.
something else is
Just
yeah.
massive.
Yeah. Something else
You
is
want more
eating
sweet potatoes, David? You can take them.
Thank you.
I gotta catch that guy from the side-by-side dealer.
What are you gonna say?
Oh, my dad called me.
You want more sweet potatoes?
Sticker. I got a sticker. Tell me what. It's a sticker.
Where are we going? We're going to feed the chickens. Or, no. Well, yeah, feed the chickens and feed the egg chickens and move the meat chickens and the meat turkeys. Last chore of the day. Are we going to do the chickens? And the turkeys? See all our food scraps. Daddy and Davy? Come on, I need your help. Come on, we're gonna give that to the other chickens in a minute. Ready? There you go. Hello? We moved the chickens, we moved the turkeys on new grass. Let's see what their old grass looks like. turkeys, there's only 9 of them, so it's not too bad, but it's still good to move them. Because parasites, but the chickens, my God. Big difference. Where they were, where they are now. They do good. Now this grass will forever be greener. Thanks for helping me, baby. Thank you. I love you. Yeah. Yeah, you can touch it now. I turned it off. Here. Ready? Dump it in. Ready? Good job. Here. Dump it in. Good job. Say eat. Eat chickens. Here's your dinner.